Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Azure Synapse Git integration. This tutorial will walk you through the process of integrating Azure Synapse with Git, a popular version control system. To get started, you need to have an Azure Synapse workspace and a Git repository. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. Git is a version control system that helps you track changes to your code and collaborate with others. First, navigate to your Azure Synapse workspace and click on the Manage tab. Then, click on Git Configuration and select your Git repository. You can choose from Azure DevOps, GitHub, or GitLab. Enter your repository URL, username, and password, and then click Apply. Once you have connected your Git repository, you can start using it to manage your Azure Synapse artifacts. Artifacts include notebooks, scripts, and data pipelines. To link an artifact to your Git repository, click on the three dots next to the artifact and select Link to Git. When you link an artifact to Git, Azure Synapse will create a new file in your repository with the same name as the artifact. Any changes you make to the artifact will be synced with the Git repository. You can also use Git to collaborate with others on your Azure Synapse workspace. Best practice is to use a separate branch for each development environment. For example, you can have a dev branch for development, a test branch for testing, and a main branch for production. This allows you to manage different versions of your artifacts and collaborate with others. Another key concept is commit messages. When you make changes to an artifact, you should include a commit message that describes the changes you made. This helps others understand what changes were made and why. In conclusion, integrating Azure Synapse with Git is a powerful way to manage and collaborate on your analytics projects. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start using Git with Azure Synapse and take your analytics projects to the next level. Remember to use separate branches for each development environment and include descriptive commit messages to help others understand your changes.